Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hey.
Today we are in Fort Worth, Texas, and we're at a really cool place for you guys to see. So come with us. As you can see, we are in our car today, but that's because it's very windy outside. There's a wind advisory, and we wanted to make sure that you guys could hear what we were saying and where we were at. So, do you want to tell them where we are at in Fort Worth?
So we are at the Holocron store.
Holocron Toy Store.
Oh, Toy Store, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Is the largest, or one of the largest, Star Wars toys only store.
Yep. It is huge. I saw it on TikTok one time, and I said, "Hey, we have got to go see this place," because if you guys know me and Ash, we're pretty big Star Wars fans. So we are going to get inside, and we're going to show you everything they have in there. All right. So we will see you in there.
All right, come along, guys.
So to start things off, right outside the building in the very front is a Death Star smoker. This thing is pretty awesome. So inside, first thing we notice is this huge photo op. Okay, so we're gonna put Ash up in here, and she's now a life-size toy. So standing right next to where we just filmed Ash, there's not a lot of room behind us, maybe a couple shelves. But as you can see, there's a huge selection in here, and the store is pretty decent size. And they've got Clone Wars playing on the TV, huge Star Wars stuff, Millennium Falcon, TIE Fighter hanging from the ceiling. You got Chewie on the wall over here. It's going to be awesome. Okay, so over by Chewie on the wall, you've got a life-size Darth Vader statue, and I would like to take that home, but it's pricey. So here is a wall of Kenner action figures from every movie and TV show, and even the animated ones. So this is pretty neat. What a collection. So this section, you guys will recognize the Black Series section with the toys that are currently out as the action figures. And next to that are the Lightsabers. These are my favorite. And they have one that I have never seen before. So let's get over here. There's Ahsoka's, Darth Revan's, and up here is Darth Sidious. That's my favorite lightsaber hilt. So cool. And that's the one that I've never seen before. Going over here, along this section is some more Black Series stuff with some helmets. You've got the Stormtrooper helmets. You've got the Resistance pilot helmet, Poe Dameron's helmet, Luke Skywalker's helmet when he flies the X-Wing, Boba Fett, Darth Vader. These are really, really cool. Over here are some more action figures. And over here, in this section, these are toys from Disney. You see DJ Rex down there at the bottom. Nostalgia has set in for me. These are toys that I got when episode 1 came out. And they have the blue lightsaber Mace Windu. Ash thought I was crazy, but this thing exists. There's your proof right there. And there's all of these toys. You used to take a little communicator thing and they would talk back to you. They were so neat. If you are a vinyl and pop collector, this spot is for you. I am one of these people. I think I'm going to walk away here with a couple of these that I've been looking for. Some of them are not cheap. Some of them are really expensive. Hey, Ash! Okay, so there's a section over here that has some nostalgic toys from the 70s, the 80s, even some into the 90s, and even current toys. Oh, look, there's a Sage Ventress. And an Imperial Guard. Wow. But anyway, like this section here, if you guys are into the nostalgia, these toys are still hard to find. There's a Lego Republic Cruiser, or Rebel Cruiser, sorry. Anyway, but all of this, but here's one really awesome thing in the center of it, and it's going to be right here. Ash's favorite character, none other than Darth Maul. Life-size character. Something we would really like to take home, but I don't think it's for sale, unfortunately, because it'd be super expensive. But anyway, this is really neat. I'm glad that they have something like this in here. So you need to check this place out. So this area over here has some of the original toys. Oh my gosh, there's a Dagobah playset with Yoda and Darth Vader and Luke. You've got a Hoth Ice Planet playset. And then over here, you've got the Boba Fett costume that you can purchase. The Rubies one that I think is available on Amazon. And then over here, you've got just some random pieces and different action figures from the past, original toys. Alright, in this section, we've got some newer toys, little plush creatures. You got Dio, Grogu, Yoda, some Mandalorian things here. Those horse things, I cannot remember what they're called from The Last Jedi. You got other toys over here. You've got a Kylo Ren costume, which is very tempting to take home. He's one of my favorite characters by his looks, not so much his attitude, but we won't get into that. Here's some more items for purchase as well. I'm telling you, these guys at this store have a plethora of items for any Star Wars character or Star Wars toy collector that you could think of. Alright, so we made it back outside to the car, and that place was amazing.
Yeah, we spent probably about an hour or so just walking around and looking constantly.
Yeah. We even, and like I showed you guys earlier, we even found the Mace Windu that she kept trying to tell me doesn't exist. And it's like, no, he's always had purple lightsaber. But no, there it is. There's the toy with the blue one. Before they showed Mace Windu and Samuel L. Jackson in a movie wielding a lightsaber. Because in episode 1, he never wielded one. So.
They just couldn't get it together.
Yeah, well, he was all like, George, I want to be able to see myself. There I am. It's purple. So, we did buy a couple things. We have been collecting pop figurines of Star Wars. So I found a Darth Vader and a Moff Gideon.
And he's got the Darksaber, which is pretty cool. Like,
yeah, I'm kind of partial to the ones that have the lightsaber out for those. So
yeah, I will say though, like the people that run this are so friendly, and they want to talk Star Wars with you. Yep. So that's really cool.
Well, what the crazy thing was even the thing with the Mace Windu lightsaber. He walked over, he goes, yeah, here's a Mace Windu action. Oh my gosh, he does have a blue lightsaber. I'm like, ha! I knew there was one. I remember seeing the commercial as a kid. So, we even found Kayada Mundi with a purple lightsaber. So that was before he wielded one too. And then there was another kind of no-name Jedi from the movies, but she was in the Clone Wars. I cannot remember the name.
I'm not good with names. So.
I'm not good with that name either. But she had a red one. So I think that maybe an original plot was to have one of the Jedi turn dark in episode 1 or 2.
That or they were just throwing them out. Because they were dated 1998.
Yep.
So I think they were just throwing them out there really quickly because they wanted their merchandise out.
Yeah, because they had announced that episode 1 was coming in 1999. So they wanted to get merch out prior, which would probably help fund the movie and things. So, yep. But anyway, that's going to finish this really, really, really short vlog. But we really had to show you guys this place. Stay tuned for our next vlog, which will be at the
Fort Worth Stockyards.
Yeah, we'll be at the Stockyards. We'll go to a rodeo and show you guys that area. Anyway, that being said, don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
bell notification button
so that you guys don't miss any of our adventures. And with that,
bring on the next adventure.
Bye, guys.